Hi guys, welcome to Power Cubicle Guy. Hope everyone is doing good out there. In today's show, we will see how to create a fun game app in PowerApps. So let's see a quick demo to see what we are going to build today. So here is the Well-Wisher app, and here is a button to know your talk to well-wishers. So if I click on this button, I'll get the top well-wisher name, Rose, and second well-wisher name like Charles. And here you see a timer, and here is a video embedded in this app. And these top well-wisher names can be your teammates' name. So let's see how to get these names and create this app. But before that, a small intro. So guys, this is a single screen app. Let's see the details how I created this app. So here is the label. As you see, it's text I have written, your well-wisher. Alright, and here is the button. I'll show what coding I have done in this button. And here is the well-wisher 1 label, and as you see here, I have used a variable ww1 for well-wisher 1, and here is another label for well-wisher 2, right? So I'll show you how I'm storing the results values in these variables and displaying here. And this video I have embedded here. That's a simple one. Just go to video controls by clicking on insert media and video, and add that video and make it autoplay. So if I go to the properties, see, auto start is on, loop is on. Here you can change the background color. So I have made it blue, so you can change it to black or some other color as per what you like. Here is a timer which I added. So video time frame is 161 seconds, so I added a timer there. And when the timer ends, I have added a auto log off functionality. So on timer end, you see here I have added the exit function, so that the app will get auto log off. All right, now let's see the button what I have embedded in there. So guys, you must be knowing the random function for generating the random numbers, right? But have you heard the function shuffle? So shuffle function basically is used for shuffling the text values. So here if you see, I have hard coded some names in this data set, and I am using shuffle function here. What this function will do is every time the user logs in and play this app, he or she will get a new name every time. So as you see here, I have used first as well along with shuffle. So shuffle will shuffle this complete data set, and whichever name is coming as the first record in this data set, it will display and save it in the variable ww1. So that will be our well-wisher 1. Similarly, I have used well-wisher 2 variable, and using the same data set and using here the last function, right? So this last function will give again the last name from that shuffled data set, right? So it's a very simple app, just kind of fun app. So you can say that this team member is the top well-wisher of the complete team. So I will show you how I'm using the Outlook connector for sending the email. So here as you see, once the shuffled value is displayed, I'm using the Office 365 Outlook connector and the version v2 of it. Whichever user is playing this game, they have to click on allow to give their permissions to use their Outlook. So here the email ID should come as a hard-coded value of whosoever is the owner of this app. So after that, here is a text, your well-wisher, and this will come in the subject line of the email and user email. Suppose Rose is playing this game, so it will come your well-wisher and Rose email ID. And then in the body of the email, this text will come top well-wisher and the ww1 variable. So well-wisher 1 variable, whatever the value of that variable is, it will come in the body, and then comma the second well-wisher name ww2. So like that an email will come to the owner of the app. So, and based on that he or she can write the top well-wisher name of that particular person, and then create basically a chart for all the team members to get the results and declare the winner based on that. It was a fun game I played last week with my team and they all loved it. Here if you see, the labels of well-wisher 1 and well-wisher 2 are hidden. So if I show you the visible property, I have taken a well-wisher variable. So based on that well-wisher variable, it's shown or hidden. And similarly for well-wisher 2 also, the visible property is on the same variable. If I click this, you see I am setting that well-wisher variable to true, right? So as soon as the user clicks this button, the well-wisher sets to true, which means this label well-wisher 1 and well-wisher 2 will become visible. So if I press the Alt button and press on this button, so you will see the top well-wisher names are displayed, right? So guys, let me know in the comments if you like this small game app and want to create a similar version of it. I hope you like this video and thanks for watching it. Please do subscribe to my channel to learn more. Thank you guys and see ya.